So the first piece of music we're going to learn is called Gallop, and I'm going to play it for you now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Isn't that cute? So just as a fun learning aid, I'm going to make up some words to this tune, okay? So I propose that we say galloping, 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 galloping up the harp with me. Galloping, 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 galloping down the harp with me. Feel free to change that if you wish, but you'll notice that there's 4 galloping words. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to try and play that. So we're going to sit nice and straight, and we're going to use our left hand for this first. Okay, so get your left hand, and you're going to put your elbow out 45 degrees from the side of your body. You're going to put your wrist diagonal, not straight, not vertical, but diagonal, and you're going to put your thumb up. Okay, for fun, if you want to get a sweet or a strawberry and put it in this space, that can help you remember to keep it up. Then you're going to remember how we did our peekaboo, and we're going to just do that with one finger now, and it's going to be our index finger, and in harp we call this our 2. Our right hand is going to gently be placed here to keep the harp stable. Okay, so I have my elbow 45 degrees out, I have my wrist diagonal, I have my thumb up, and I have my 2 finger downward. Now for the ease of this video, I'm going to do it in reverse so you can see my hand better. Okay, so my elbow is out, my wrist is 45 degrees, my thumb is up, and I'm going to put my index finger pointing down. Okay, and now I'm going to bring it to the F string in the middle of the harp, and I'm not going to have it at the bottom of this harp string, I'm not going to have it at the top, I'm going to have it around the middle. Okay, and I'm not going to have it straight, like rigid. I'm going to have it slightly curved. A fun analogy I have is that it's like an elephant's trunk. Okay, you'd never see an elephant going and having a straight arm. They always have a nice curved trunk, and your finger is going to be like that. So get your elephant trunk and put it on an F string. Now you'll notice that because of your gross motor position, the string is hitting your pad in a kind of a vertical fashion. I'm going to show you now with a piece of marker. Okay, so this is my finger, and this is where the string is lying. Can you see that? Do you see the way it's kind of almost at the same angle as my nail? That is correct. Okay, what you really don't want, I'm going to demonstrate with a different finger, is for it to be like this. Okay, do you see the way the string on that instance was actually totally perpendicular to the ground? We don't want that. We want this. Okay, right? So if it helps, get your marker and draw where the string is on your finger pad, and make sure that the line is pointing down, not pointing that way, if you know what I mean. Okay, so here we go. Gallop. So remember that we do galloping 4 times. We're going to play this note for like in time with those words. So galloping, 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 galloping. Hear that? 8 notes repeated. Let's do it one more time. Get your finger ready on the F, pointing down, and go. Galloping, 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 galloping. Excellent. Mahu. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to go up the strings step by step. Let's get a nice fun rhythm. Sounds like this. Up the harp with me. So it's really nice and easy because it's color coded. You go from your black string up to your red string and then stop. Okay, try that with me now. Starting on the F. Ready, go. Up the strings with me. Now let's try it and I'll tell you the letter names. Starting on your black, your F. Ready, go. F, G, A, B, C. Mahoo. Now we're going to try to do that all together. Put your index finger on the F. Hein, do. Galloping, 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 galloping up the strings with me. Beautiful stuff. We're going to do it one more time and I'm going to sing the letter names. Ready? Starting on the F. Go. F, 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 G, A, B, C. Woohoo! Now we're going to do our next line. So we're going to start in the F again and we're going to do 8 Fs, just like we did before, 4 gallopings. Ready? Go. Galloping, 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 galloping. And now it changes. We're going to do our final phrase and we jump up to our red string and we're going to go down from the red string to the black string one by one. Okay, ready, go. Down the harp with me. Okay, so how about we try that? Sing the letter names. Ready, steady, go. C, B flat, A, G, F. Okay. Now I'm really excited because I think that you're going to be able to rewind and do what you need to do to practice this, and then we can try it all together. So let's try the whole piece. Hein, do. Galloping, 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 galloping up the harp with me. Galloping, 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 galloping down the harp you see. I thought of a cool new lyric there in the middle of it. Anyway, Mahu, Tatuik Jane of Gahindak, you're doing brilliantly. Well done. Practice that until it's confident. So now I'm going to demonstrate on the other hand. So just to let you know, in general, the right hand plays around the middle of the strings, like this area, and then the left hand tends to play further away, so around this area. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate on my left hand now, and I'm going to demonstrate on this lower F. Hein, do, tri, car, cuig, she. F, 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 G, A, B, C. F, 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 C, B, A, G, F. I hope you get to play along with me. Try playing along. Wahoo! So now how we try this hands together, okay? So I'm going to put my right hand on the F in the middle. I'm going to put my left hand on the F below that. Hein, do, tri, car, cuig, she. F, 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 G, A, B, C. Back down to your F now. F, 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 C, B, A, G, F. Mahoo! Fantastic! You just learned your first harp tune. Yay!